I'm back, look around for someone might understand it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Your girl has not been consistent. I always say I will be, but then I don't be, and I'm so sorry. But if you don't know, I just bought me a new extra Muse camera, and I'm definitely gonna put her to use. And I bought an SD card worth like $200, so this is definitely good input to you. So welcome to my channel. Today is Tuesday, January 27th, I believe. Well, yeah, it's 10:03, and lately we have not been having school. School has been canceled and everything has been online. So my first class today, that was online, and I just slept through it really, unfortunately. But the work is done in that class, so don't worry about that. It is 10 degrees right now and it is snowing, so like hopefully they cancel class again, but like I literally had class in like 2 hours, so I gotta get ready just in case they do not cancel class. So all I'm gonna be doing is like really just touching my hair up, getting dressed, and like get all my stuff ready. And then after class I did want to do like an hour or two of study. Then after that I have to go get some packages. I don't know if you got to see my short, but I did my own hair, so make sure you go check that short out. I did like a slick back bun with a bang. I'm just gonna fix my bangs. The girl in a comment, she said section the bang off, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna section the bang off and see if that makes the bang look a little bit better. The bang was cute, but now that I look back at it, it's just like a little big, and it's just like too much. It's not how it's supposed to be. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try to fix that and get that out the way. Actually, y'all, before I get ready for my day, I had to eat me some breakfast, so I got me some boiled eggs with QP mayo and hot sauce. Try it. Look how it looks. It's really good. Good source of protein. You could try some. I know you want some. Shout out to my Dukes for giving me this cup. She got it for me for Christmas. That's water just hit something different. But no, nothing beat a Gatorade. Alright, y'all, please do not mind the background. Like, I really got to clean up. It's been a lot. School been kicking me lately. I'm basically just getting ready for school. I put my face routine on. My face routine, if you want to see the video, it's just short. Go watch the short. I put my teeth whitening strips on. If you want the teeth whitening strips, go to my TikTok and get them from my storefront. I'm just gonna curl my hair how the girl like told me to do it in sections, and see if that make the curl look better. And then I'm just gonna straighten my edges up. I'm gonna put some music on so I can lock in and actually do it and not just be yapping to y'all, because I know when I start talking I don't stop. So I'm just gonna go ahead on and handle my business real quick, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey Alexa, play Raw Darius Way. He looks like the
every breath I'm sinking in. No way to describe it. I'm a riot. I wake up and I'm somehow beside you. Instead of beside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice. No need to remind you. Wish you could build me a cute apartment. One bedroom where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too far. And I wonder when they see just one, do they see us through? Let's swim back into you.
I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. You don't see that crunchiness? Really finna piss me off. Just ugly as fuck. I don't got time for this shit. This shit better work. I'm gonna play this ass. Get you some. See, it's almost gone. It really worked. And you know what that is backwards? 7-Eleven. You know what that is? My motherfucking birthday. Yeah, whatever he said. The other day, it's of course. Okay, y'all, I finally made it to flipping class. When I say we should not have school today, we shouldn't have school today on no level. Like, this shit is crazy that we actually have school today. At first, our building was closed down, but then they reopened, and for fucking what? It's still snowing. I'm gonna show you guys on the way up to class. I actually thought I was gonna be late to class, which I am because class starts in 1 minute, but I thought I was gonna be like hella late. Class starts at 12:15. I thought it was gonna be 12:30, not even a 10 type of shit. It's literally what it's looking like outside. And to have class in this is devious. Like, y'all want me to freeze my pussy lips off. I see. Alright, y'all, so I am finished studying and whatnot. I'm finally gonna go home, but before I go home, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my packages and we're gonna do a little unboxing. Yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing. But when I tell y'all it's so motherfucking cold, it got worse outside. I'm gonna show y'all. It's terrible. These are packages I got. I already know what everything is. I have this lip liner in the shade. It's a Juvia's Place lip liner, by the way. So I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But yeah, Juvia's Place lip liner. And I think this is in the shade Cocoa, if I'm correct, if I remember correctly. So we're just gonna try it on. We're gonna try it on and see if it gives cocoa. I ordered this. It's supposed to help boost your memory and just anything to do with your brain. It's supposed to help the brain in general. These could be used. The lace is eating good. The lace is good. No. This is eating good. For a girl who does not know how to plug, this is tea. It's a two-piece outfit of brown set, and then the back says "Don't burst my bubble," and then the pants is the same thing, and the back says "Bobby Jag." Yeah, and that's look right there. Yeah, I'll be back when I get home. Yeah, I'll just be back later on when I get home. I think that's all I gotta do today, really. So yeah, I'll be back later. Hey guys, it is the very next day. It is Wednesday, January 28th. It's 1:30 right now. And y'all, I'm sorry I did not come back yesterday. I was super busy. I was like ripping and running, literally helping all my friends and stuff like that. But if you have not yet subscribed and you made it this far, just make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't be scared to share the video around. Send it to your auntie, your uncle, your mammy, your brother, your sister, your child. Send me around. I want to get around in this type of way. You feel me? So yeah, I just did a mini blog and see how it will go on my Extra Muse camera, and it's safe to say I love my Extra Muse camera. I love everything about you, bro. I do. But yeah, I'm about to go on a road trip tomorrow, so you should be seeing a road trip vlog here soon. I'm going 7 hours away, a 7 hour drive, so that's gonna be really scary just because of the weather, and like it's snowstorms and it's still snowing right now as we speak. So hopefully it calms down before I leave, because honestly I don't want to drive in that, and it's probably gonna be snow everywhere I drive, just because the simple fact that I ain't going too far out of Ohio. So, yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.